Hi everyone, you're welcome to AI for Productivity. This is core productivity because I'm going to be looking at tools for productivity. Yes, tools that will turbocharge your productivity. So, we're going to be looking at presentation and how you can do it with one cloud, the second one Gemini, and then Chat GPT. Okay, so I'm going to start right away. I'm going to start with a simple one. So I'm going to feed my website, our company website. So this is TechPatriot. Yeah, so this is our website. I just type TechPatriot and it popped up. You can see how fast it came up, right? Yeah. So if you look at the graphics, so many things like that, but it still pop up very, very fast. That's nothing to do with the cache or things like that, but how efficiently done. Okay, I don't want to brag about our web designing skills, but if you want to design good websites like this, then you need to attend our training. Yes, you need to attend our training. So back to this now. I'm going to copy this. Okay, so I've copied the link to this website. I'm going to come down here and then paste it here. So I'm going to ask Cloud. Okay, I'll just say, okay, design a portfolio with the above websites. Okay, so design a corporate, or let me just say portfolio with the above link. Just a simple prompt. Okay, I don't want to start telling it what to do, the kind of portfolio. Of course, I can do that, but I don't want to do that. So I just want to see how good it is. All right, so once I do this, I'm going to copy it because I'll paste it on all. So just look at this now. Okay, so I'll come to Gemini and I'll ask Gemini to do the same thing. Boom. Okay, so I'll ask ChatGPT to do the same thing. All right, so I want to test how efficient they are. All right, so you can see this. This is what our website looks like. Okay, let's go to the About Us page because I'm going to be using a lot from the About Us page. Okay, so this is the About Us page of our corporate website. So you can see, welcome to TechPatriot, a leading company that is committed to empowering businesses, blah, 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 what we do, so many good things we do. And then you come down to our services. So I'm just mentioning all this so you can see for yourself the one that, first of all, adhere to what we do. And then secondly, the ones that are colorful. Okay, because if you look at our website, it's very colorful, right? So we're going to look at this. Now, boom, we are saying this: training and capacity development, government support and services, human capacity development, technical audit, business consultancy services, technology and business solutions. We have them. So you go to our trainings, we have AI for productivity and profit training, we have ultimate website design and entrepreneurship, we have our Brigade Python bootcamp, we have our web design for beginners, we have our coding and front end development for beginners, and things like that. Okay, this front end development, okay, we have it as our executive classes, not the general classes. Okay, so good. So once we have this, let's come down to Chat GPT. You can see ChatGPT just went straight. TechPatriot Global. You look at, okay, one thing I didn't show you is our address. So let's look at our contact, okay, and see if they got it correctly. Anyway, our contact is supposed to be on every page, but I just want to go to this contact page. Okay, so this is our office address, Suite 27B, Landmark Plaza, Mitama, our email, and then our phone numbers. And then on the footer of our website, you can see our contacts, our contact info. So let's come back here and see what. So it just went straight up, give us our contact, give us one phone number, give us an email. All right. So about TechPatriot, and then see what it did, what ChatGPT did. Just give us and then sent us the link. If we want more, we can go here. But I wanted ChatGPT to design everything, like everything. So I don't want to refer people to a website, but you can see that's what ChatGPT is doing. Our vision and mission, okay, you got it correctly. Our core services, technology consultant, business process automation, digital transformation solution, data-driven decision support, okay, training and capacity development, coding and programming, web development, artificial intelligence, data analysis, digital business skills. Okay, we don't do data analysis, though I'm a data analyst myself, but maybe ChatGPT knows that and included that in one of the things we do, business consultancy, blah blah blah, and then they just have this. This is very, very basic, below basic even. So I can come up and say design something better, without referring people to our websites. All right, let me see what it will give us. Okay, you can just see it's still giving us, okay, so fine, corporate profile. So still give us this, not really good. Okay, so let's say if we want to prompt it, make it colorful. I like colors, okay, colorful. Let's see what it will give us. So that single prompt, let's see what it will give us. Make it colorful. Can it come up? Okay, fine. While we are waiting for it to come up, let's look at what this one has. This is something better. Okay, so told us experience is 10 years plus. That's true. We've trained over 30,000 individuals. I think we need to update our list. It's way more than that. Unpaid training. All right, so our vision, our mission, core services, web design, coding and programming, AI for academia. Okay, fine. Okay, business and export consult. Okay. All right, client testimonials. Okay, included that. That's really nice. The growth I've seen in my child is truly encouraging. From zero programming knowledge to writing working code. The transformation is incredible. Yeah, that's Abubakar Leo. Oh, that should be Abubakar's mom, I think. Okay, so fine. All right, design recommendation. Okay, go ahead and design. Okay, let's say go ahead and design something really good. So let's see what it will give us in our design. Okay, so okay, let's see. This guy claim it has done something. All right, so let's download it and view it. So let's see the design from ChatGPT. Oh God, oh my God, look at the design from ChatGPT. This is terrible. The color will blind anyone. This is terrible from ChatGPT. Okay, so this guy is confused already. All right, so let's go to this guy and see what it will give us. Boom! Just look at this. Look at what cloud is giving us. Okay, I want to just look at this. Look at what it did there, right? Beautiful. Look at the font. Look at the design. The way it played with your gold, and then look at the information here. You can even visit the official website here. Just look at this design and tell me this is not good. Just tell me this is not good. Okay, so let's see if you want to explore services, open the external link. Okay, let's just cancel the external link here. But you can see this. You can see this. This is way better. Way better. Way better. You can just look at this: human capacity development, business development, procurement services, project monitoring and evaluation, government support services. You can just see this, and it got our number very, very correctly. Just look at this one, and then got a lot more testimonials from our website. Okay, so let's see. I want to see if I can download this. I see listed our website address there. So okay, where do I download this now? I want to download this. Can I? Is this? Let me see. Let me see if I can download this. No, this is the HTML. Now I should be able to download the PDF or something like that. Okay. Let me see. I should be able to download the PDF. I want to expand it and see where I can download this, so we can just see how beautiful it is. Okay, so you work in an organization and they just need an instant portfolio. You can have this, and then you can come down here. Okay, so external link. Okay, so okay, let me see this. If I'm to expand this, I want to see what it will give me. Alright, hold on. Okay, so I can't expand beyond that. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, so this is what you have with that design. Okay, and then look at the logo, the same thing we use, the same icons we use in our website, imported them here. So there'll be what they call brand consistency, right? So though the color, but the color is also close with what we did. Let's look at our home page and the colors on the home page. Look at the colors here. You can see the colors here, and then if you come down to this place, you look at the color, very, very close to. They don't have to be the exact replica, the exact font and colors, but this is as close as it can be. All right, so if you want to design, say, a portfolio, I guess you know what to do. So this is just a design of a portfolio from a website. Okay, directly from a website link. So you can see what Cloud did to ChatGPT. It beat it hands down. Beat it hands down. Okay, that's what it did. Just beat it hands down. Okay, so this is really good. We're going to look for how to download this. So let's see this. Let's download this and see what it will look like. Okay, so you just come down to this place. Apparently I can't download here, so just download on your left hand side. Okay, so you can download here. Okay, fine. Let's see what it will give us. Boom, this is it. This is it. Just look at this. Boom. Just look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is, right? So this is the profile directly. Okay, you can just look at this. All right, so you can have this as your company profile. So we're going to be looking at other design things you can carry out with Cloud. Thank you very much for your time. My name is Kelechi Nkwocha. Bye bye for now.